Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a bulk case to open. It's got some shoes in it, and we're going to see what kind of condition it's in. So I've got this bulk case. Let me give you the specifications on it and why I picked it. Bulk.com case, uninspected returns, women's shoes, men's shoes, cat and jack. I've been selling shoes really well on Poshmark, and so that's kind of why I went for this case. I picked this up on my warehouse trip. If you haven't seen my warehouse tour videos, go ahead and check those out. I'll tag them at the end of this video. But I picked this up, and so I didn't have to pay shipping for this. They don't currently do pickups right now, but hopefully with me being the guinea pig, that might be something in the near future. So my cost was $164, which was the cost of the case. So obviously with no shipping, $164 is what I paid. Per item, it's $4.70. Your cost, if you would have bought this, would have been $164 plus $30 in shipping for a total of $194, and it would have been $5.55 per item. So cases don't make as much difference when you're getting them shipped to you, just because they do the flat rate of $30, which seems to be really convenient. So let's get in here and see what kind of condition we got inside this bulk case. It's an uninspected returns. So we're going to see what kind of condition. Sometimes you get all over the map when you're dealing with uninspected returns. I'm going to be trying to be very careful and pull this up a little bit, because the last thing I want to do is cut into anything that's clothing or shoes. So let's see what we got. Kids, looks like kids shoes. Turn this over. Kids shoes, sports Skechers. Those are cute, glittery, with little ice cream cones on them. They're size 2. Size 2. Those will go for sure on my Poshmark store. Looks like I've got another pair of sports Skechers here. Some pink Velcro ones. Those are size 2 as well. So some kids ones. Let's see. All right, so this is definitely, if I can find those on Amazon, I'll sell those on Amazon, because they're definitely brand new and unused. Now this box, obviously, I can't do on Amazon because it's had some issues. All right, so let's see what these, another pair of kids shoes, size 3, Skechers Sport, but they're boys. Black and orange ones. So the biggest thing you want to do is make sure when you get shoes, you check and make sure both sides are the exact same size, and that it also matches the barcode. So, all right, let's see what else we got here. Got some women's pumps, cute little heels. I would totally break my ankle walking on those things. So those are really cute. What size are they? They're size 8. They're actually my size, but I would hurt myself. So those are, and a New Day. A New Day. Universal thread. Okay, these must have been a Target return. Oh, those are cute. Little gladiator sandals. Looks like they're size 8.5.
You sold ones that look like that before?
Yeah, we have. Very similar to those. I found the giant shoes in the box. Look at them. They're so tiny. Why do you even have shoes like this? I mean, they're really not big enough to even walk outside. But I guess they're cute. Size 4 in little babies. I'm going to set those over there. All right. Here's, I see a couple of sets of boots that are very similar. So these are a size 13 in kids. Little combat boots, dress combat boots. And then I think I've got another pair that's a different size. Yeah. These are a size 5 in women's. So if you're a small mommy, but I'm going to show you this. Look at the condition here. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that or not, but you've got that. And then I saw a couple of condition issues there. So they'll probably go on my Poshmark store, but they'll be listed with tags, but definitely not listed new. And the pictures of the discrepancies will for sure be taken just so that they know what they're going to get. But I guarantee you 2 days after wearing them, they're going to look like that. So here's some fuzzy slippers. Then we've got some cute cat and jack little kids dress shoes, size 9. Little black kind of metallic looking ones. And then we've got the cute little patent leather rose black ones. These are size 10s. Little kid shoes. So I'm seeing more children's shoes than adult shoes, which is kind of a little bit discouraging just because I don't get as much out of kid shoes. Although remember I said I spent about $4 a piece on these, and so I'm definitely going to get more than $4 a piece on these. Oh, here's the brown version of those gladiator sandals. Here's a pair of cute, let's see what size those are. Those little sandals. Let's see if the box says 8.5. Here's a pair of really cute Mad Love kind of flat sneaker casual shoes, size 11 for women. Unicorns are all the rage right now, so here's some cute unicorn cat and jack shoes, very sparkly.
That is awesome.
Yeah, those are cute. Here's some more kid shoes. Some rainbow metallic, size 8. Velcro ones. Some sparkly black ones with little flowers on the sides. Some size 4 little silver ones. Got some cute little pink boots. These are size 11s. Let's see what else we got. There's another pair of pink boots, but they're hot pink. Size 7 little hot pink boots. I'm not sure why they bagged some shoes and not others. Who knows? These are size 6 little cat and jack little, what do they call? Chukka boots. They look just like the men's chukka boots. Little blue ones. So we're getting to the bottom. There's still quite a bit more in there. There were 35 items in this, and I feel like I've pulled out to almost 35, but we're going to keep going. All right, this looks like a women's shoe size. If these are kids' shoes, I'm going to freak out. So, yes, women's shoes. All right, they're little slip-on metallic bow DV. I'm not sure what DV is. If you know what DV is, tell me. But they're basically Desiree gold.
Flip that around for me.
Yeah, like this. There. And they're made to be worn outside. They look like kind of a little bit like indoor shoes, but they're made to be worn outside. These are size 9s. Here's some kids' shoes with some cool detail. Black Panther on the side of them. So here's the front of these, and then they got a cool little decal of Black Panther on the side. Looks like they're size 5 in boys. Hey, I've sold these before. We've got a pair of these purple pumps already on Poshmark, so I'm just going to go on there and change the listing to add this one. So it's a size 9 little lavender pump. So I like when I find repeat things because then it doesn't take me any effort. Here's a little mini pair of the exact same boots we pulled out earlier. This is a size 5 in little kids. So a little toddler kids. The other ones were little kids, but those are even smaller. Here's some girls' cute little boots. Size 8. Those are adorable. Look at the side of them.
Yeah, there we go.
Little, they almost look beaded. They are beaded, I think. Beaded fabric kind of look. All right, and then we've got a couple of pairs of shoes here. So we've got these little, got little bows on them, stretch sides, kids' shoes. Original price was $20 on those. And then, sorry, my alarm's going off. Let me shut it off real fast. Okay. All right, and then another pair of these. So that'll make it easy to list those. Just put the different increment sizes on them. These are cute. They're wearing little glasses.
That's awesome.
Those are fun. Alrighty, a few more things in here. More kids' shoes. Here's a pair of kids' little sparkly star ones. Do we have ones like these? I don't see any. Lot that are similar like that. Little teeny tiny sparkle star ones. Oh, these are a repeat. Just a smaller version of the little bow ones. So we got 2 pairs of those. You can just put different variations when you're on Poshmark. Here's a pair of adult shoes. Who, what, where. Size 8.5. 8.5 must be the theme for this one. So here's a pair of like blue flats. They kind of look denim a little bit. There's another pair of these little kids shoes. Got 2 pairs of those now. And then I got a pair of black flats with little bows on the front. Pair of men's sneakers. Let's see if they've been worn. Nope. Looks like maybe tried on in the store. Size 9. Flex foam. Let's see. One shoe. Let's see if the match is in here. It is. All right. So this is the last thing in here. This is a size 8.5. So this must be the 8.5 box. If you wear size 8.5, here you go. Lots of options for shoes. So the box is totally empty. So it was basically everything was shoes, which is really odd because when you look at the title, it basically said bulk.com case, women's shoes, men's shoes, cat and jack. And so I expected to find other things in here, but it was 100% just shoes. So I'm actually really excited about that. Even though there are so many kids shoes, I can still sell the kids shoes for a really, really good price. And as you can see, everything in uninspected returns condition is phenomenal condition. And so there were a couple of condition issues on just a couple of things. Obviously, a lot of them don't come with the original box, but even in the store, they don't come with the original box. And so I'm really, really pleased with this case. I think I'm definitely going to make my money back. So watch video number 2. I'm going to actually go through all these shoes, give you an estimated, a conservative estimated guesstimation on what I think that I can earn in this case of bulk.com uninspected returns, women's shoes, men's shoes, and children's shoes that I paid a total of $164 for. So hopefully it's been helpful to see kind of what kind of condition you can get women's and men's shoes and uninspected returns. Okay, so I've added up what I think that I can make, and I'm not as excited about this palette as I've been in other cases, as I've been in other cases in the past. I do love the condition, but the actual retail of this was $720, which is kind of a low number for me. I usually try to get up at least to the $1,000 range, but I was trying to load my truck when we went down to the warehouse, so I picked this one because I knew I wasn't going to have to pay shipping. So what I think that I possibly can make in super conservative is I think I can make $252. Once I take my $164 from that, $88 is all I think I can profit off this. I hope that I'm pleasantly surprised. I would love for you guys to actually comment below on what was your favorite shoe that I pulled out of the box. I mean, you guys saw there were various different things, unicorn shoes and rainbow shoes, and you guys just had a good glimpse at all of that. So this one is kind of like a break even or maybe make a few bucks on it. So it's going to be a lot of work to do that. So in the reselling business, I don't always hit it out of the park. I don't always have 100%. So I just wanted to let you guys know these are real numbers, and this is what I think I'm going to make. If I would have had more women's shoes, like the first word in the title said, I probably would have made more money because obviously women pay more money for their shoes than children do. And so, well, children don't buy their shoes at all, but you know, the cost is usually higher for a woman's shoe and a men's shoe than children's shoes. And so that's kind of where it got me. I probably should have taken a little bit better glance at the manifest, but I'll still be able to make profit, I think, or at least make all my money back. Hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.